I care a lot about the tools I use, especially when they aren't free. Here's what I'm paying for in 2023-24 to improve my performance and productivity as a software engineer. When I'm writing code, Copilot works in the background by reading what I've written and quietly suggesting what I might want to write next. Last year, I said Copilot has improved my productivity by at least 30%. The real figure might be closer to 50%. I spend considerably less effort on the mundane and boilerplate, and I feel much more satisfied with the engaging bits of software engineering. My biggest productivity improvements have come from writing test cases. Most of the time, I write the description for the test case and Copilot fills out everything else. Small things I would have to look up. E.g., instead of searching for the correct regex to parse a string, I write a comment explaining what I want the regex to do, and Copilot writes the regex for me. Boilerplate functions. For 90% of boilerplate functions, e.g. snake case to camel or logging middleware, I write the function name and Copilot writes the function. Cuggy, a better search engine than Google. I measure the effectiveness of searches by how long it takes me to find what I was actually looking for. By that measure, Google has been steadily getting worse. When I search for something on Kagi, the correct result is in the first 2 links 95% of the time. It's in the top 5 links 99% of the time. That just doesn't happen with Google, Bing, etc. The consistently great results page is further boosted by the search personalization I control. I've told Kagi that any results from Stack Overflow or Medium should be weighted higher, as well as blocked other sites I don't care to see results from. No ads. Objectively better search results. Of all the subscriptions I pay for, this is the hill I will die on. Why pay for search? The same reason I pay for Medium. The goals of ad-supported search, and ad-supported content generally, directly conflict with why I use search engines. I'm constantly pinging ChatGPT with technical questions. It's usually spot on, and the rubber ducking I do with it is 100x more effective than using an actual rubber duck. The feature that pushed me to pay for ChatGPT was Create a GPT. I currently have 4 purpose-built GPTs for different projects and settings. The most used one is Cody, my pair programmer. Adding ChatGPT, or Bard or Bing Chat, feels clumsy at first. Of course it does. You're working with a new tool. You have to practice it to become an expert, but keep at it. The payoff in productivity and quality gains is monumental. Medium, knowledge sharing with other engineers. My favorite platform for learning from other people in my field is this blogging platform, Medium. Here you can read thousands of high-quality articles about programming, data science, technology, and more. I've been a fan of Medium for years, and yes, I work here, but I chose to work here because I really love the platform. Excalidraw, easy and beautiful diagrams. This is an app that made the list this year. I upgraded to Excalidraw Plus in April 2023 and haven't looked back. We use diagrams extensively at Medium Engineering. Most of our diagrams are created in Excalidraw, which makes them clean, fun, and editable. I decided it was time to cut back on the tools I wasn't using anymore. Some of them just didn't make the cut this year. I've let go of a few tools that I relied on last year but realized I just wasn't using. Midjourney has been replaced by ChatGPT plus DALL-E. Midjourney image generation is a bit better, but it's more than I need. I would pay for ChatGPT without the image generation, but having DALL-E bundled in the subscription is a nice bonus. The image generation is still great, and I can chat more naturally with DALL-E than I can with Midjourney. I can't chat with Midjourney at all. Scribd has been replaced by Kindle plus Libby. I finally bought a Kindle. Not sure why that took so long, but it has been life-changing. E-readers aren't for everyone, but they work well for me with 3 kids and a busy schedule. Scribd was great, but the Kindle ecosystem is top tier. I care a lot about spending money on things that improve my life. These tools bring tremendous value to me as a software engineer. Consider adding these to your toolbox. This video was created by Lazy to Read, based on an insightful article written by Jacob Bennett from the Medium.com community. Scan the QR code above or click the link in description to visit the original page, read more, or leave a comment.